Top 9 vitamins to fix erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a condition that affects millions of men worldwide, with estimates suggesting that millions of men experience it. While commonly associated with aging, erectile dysfunction is not just a problem for older men, it also affects younger individuals. Erectile dysfunction occurs when there's insufficient blood flow to the penis, difficulty maintaining an erection, or reduced libido. This can be linked to several factors like poor cardiovascular health, hormonal imbalances, stress, or even certain nutritional deficiencies. The good news? There are specific vitamins, minerals, and supplements that can help address these underlying issues. In this video, we'll talk about vitamins, supplements, and minerals that can help improve erectile dysfunction, their natural food sources, and the broader health benefits they offer. So, if you or someone you know is dealing with erectile dysfunction, stay tuned for some practical and helpful advice. Let's get started. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is a cornerstone nutrient for male sexual health, particularly in addressing erectile dysfunction. One of its most significant roles is boosting testosterone production, a hormone essential for maintaining libido, energy levels, and the mechanics of erection. When testosterone levels are insufficient, men are more likely to experience difficulties achieving or maintaining an erection, making vitamin D indispensable for hormonal balance. Beyond its hormonal effects, vitamin D is crucial for cardiovascular health, directly influencing the function of endothelial cells lining blood vessels. Proper endothelial function ensures smooth blood flow, including to the penis, which is vital for strong and sustained erections. A lack of vitamin D can lead to arterial stiffness, reduced circulation, and systemic inflammation, all factors that aggravate ED. By improving vascular function, vitamin D not only tackles erectile dysfunction but also reduces the risk of related cardiovascular complications. Incorporating vitamin D into a routine can be as simple as increasing sun exposure, which triggers natural production in the skin. Dietary sources also offer a way to ensure adequate intake, with fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines being rich in the nutrient. Fortified foods, including milk and cereals, provide additional options, and egg yolks contribute a small but significant amount. For those unable to meet their needs through sunlight and food alone, supplementation is a reliable and effective strategy. By addressing vitamin D deficiencies, men can experience marked improvements in not only sexual health but also energy, mood, and overall well-being. 2. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels, a key hormone for sexual function. Low levels of zinc are often associated with hypogonadism, where the body produces insufficient testosterone, leading to reduced libido and difficulty achieving erections. Zinc also supports sperm production, improving fertility in men struggling with reproductive challenges. Additionally, zinc aids in maintaining a healthy prostate, reducing the risk of conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, or enlarged prostate, that can indirectly worsen erectile dysfunction. Its immune-boosting properties help combat systemic inflammation, another contributor to poor circulation and nerve function. Dietary sources of zinc include shellfish, especially oysters, which are rich in the mineral. Red meat, poultry, legumes like chickpeas and lentils, nuts such as cashews, and fortified cereals also provide significant amounts. Regular inclusion of these foods, or supplementation when necessary, ensures sufficient zinc levels, benefiting both sexual health and overall vitality. 3. L-Arginine. L-Arginine is an amino acid that significantly improves blood flow by increasing nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide relaxes and dilates blood vessels, ensuring proper circulation, a critical factor for achieving and maintaining erections. In cases of erectile dysfunction related to vascular issues, L-Arginine's role in enhancing blood vessel flexibility is invaluable. L-Arginine also helps reduce high blood pressure, a common cause of erectile dysfunction, and supports heart health, which is intricately linked to sexual function. Foods rich in L-Arginine include turkey, chicken, pork, peanuts, and dairy products. Supplements provide an additional way to ensure adequate intake, particularly for those whose diets lack these sources. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a vital role in nerve function, muscle relaxation, and regulating blood pressure, all of which are essential for sexual health. Stress-induced erectile dysfunction is often linked to magnesium deficiency, as the mineral helps manage cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and better vascular function. Magnesium also supports testosterone production and improves sleep quality, both of which are integral to libido and overall sexual performance. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens like spinach, nuts such as almonds, whole grains, and avocados. For individuals with significant deficiencies, magnesium supplements can be a game changer, addressing both erectile dysfunction and the underlying health concerns contributing to it. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress, a key contributor to vascular damage and ED. By reducing free radical damage, vitamin E helps improve endothelial function, ensuring better blood flow to the penis. It also supports hormonal health, balancing testosterone levels and improving sperm quality. Vitamin E's benefits extend to overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease, which is often linked to erectile dysfunction. Dietary sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado. Incorporating these foods into your diet, or using supplements, ensures adequate antioxidant support for improved sexual and vascular health. 6. Panax Ginseng. Often called the herbal Viagra, Panax ginseng has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to enhance sexual performance and treat erectile dysfunction. It works by improving nitric oxide production, enhancing blood vessel dilation and circulation. This ensures that adequate blood reaches the penile tissues during arousal. Panax ginseng also reduces stress and fatigue, factors that frequently contribute to erectile dysfunction. Its adaptogenic properties help balance cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and improving libido. Available as a supplement or tea, ginseng can be easily incorporated into a routine to boost both sexual and overall health. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily found in fatty fish, are essential for cardiovascular and hormonal health. By reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function, they address the vascular issues that often underlie erectile dysfunction. Omega-3s also help lower triglycerides and improve circulation, ensuring that the penile tissues receive adequate oxygen and nutrients during arousal. Additionally, these fatty acids support brain health, reducing stress and enhancing mood, both crucial for sexual performance. Rich sources of omega-3s include salmon, mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Including these in your diet or taking fish oil supplements ensures a steady supply of this vital nutrient. 8. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral with significant antioxidant properties, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is vital for maintaining vascular health and preventing oxidative damage that can impair erectile function. Selenium also supports testosterone production and improves sperm quality, enhancing male fertility. Rich dietary sources of selenium include Brazil nuts, tuna, eggs, and sunflower seeds. Consuming these foods regularly, or taking selenium supplements as needed, helps ensure optimal levels, benefiting not only sexual health but also immune function and thyroid health. 9. Citrulline. Citrulline is an amino acid that converts into L-Arginine in the body, subsequently boosting nitric oxide levels. This enhances blood vessel dilation and improves circulation, addressing one of the primary causes of erectile dysfunction. Citrulline is particularly effective in cases of mild to moderate erectile dysfunction, providing natural support without the side effects of pharmaceutical options. Watermelon is one of the richest dietary sources of citrulline, making it a refreshing and effective addition to a diet focused on improving sexual health. Supplements are another option, providing concentrated doses to enhance blood flow and support overall vascular function. These vitamins, minerals, and supplements not only target erectile dysfunction but also address the underlying health concerns contributing to it, including hormonal imbalances, poor circulation, and chronic stress. Integrating them into your diet or supplement regimen, along with a healthy lifestyle, can provide holistic benefits for both sexual and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Let me know in the comments which vitamins or supplements you've tried and how they worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.